So I'm upgrading to Ryzen. I went with the Ryzen 5 1600, the new SKU with the AF in the name, which means it's 12 nanometer. I chosen this main board for it, even though it costs the same as the B450 chipset from Gigabyte. I went with the Asus one. I don't want overclocking nor more memory. I bought two of these uh, DDR4s, 8 gigs each. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, seems like there's one SATA cable on the side. Oh no, there are actually two in one package. Or one? Two short ones. Okay. Interesting. These will be short. Whatever. I have enough cables. Anyways, here's the main board. And hopefully an IO shield. Oh yes, the IO shield is in the bottom. Okay. Okay. Two screws for the M.2 slot to install an SSD. This will support PCI Express 4X or SATA 3. Both are supported with Ryzen CPUs. Okay, a guide. What is this? It's some sort of round plastic. It's transparent in the middle. It has a hole. I don't know. Whatever. Manual. Installation guide. Whatever. Okay. Let's see the main board a bit. And install the memory. Maybe the processor too. And then we'll see about the cooler. So, it looks nice. Socket 1033 1. Interesting. Here's the EPU, which regulates the voltage for the processor. This optimizes for best efficiency as opposed to the TPU, which turbos up the most it can. In theory, at least. It may be the same thing, but who knows. The socket. Yes. PCI Express 3 or 4, whatever. And here is the M.2 slot. It takes all sizes as I see it. Yes, 4 SATA ports. Here are two USB 3. Yes. Two USB 2.0. And it has 4 USB 3 on the IO shield. Gigabit LAN and two USB 2s. HDMI and VGA. And nobody uses this anymore. For keyboard and mouse, whatever. Audio. Allegedly, the sound card is also separated from the rest of the main board, so it shouldn't have any noise, but I haven't had any problems with recent main boards. Okay, so let's put in the processor. Focus. Here's the Ryzen 1600 AF. Whoa, it's got So many legs. Okay. Nothing is bent, hopefully. Maybe. Okay. Let's lift up the arm. Where's the triangle? Here's the triangle on this corner. And on the socket, nah, it doesn't show. Why? But I notice here a pin is missing, so it must be that corner. Why it's not marked? I don't understand why. Okay. Gently shove it in. Yes. Push down the lever. Okay, and let's see some memory. I have to cut it open. Like that. Come on. It barely has any chips on it. 8 chips, 8 gigs. The other side is empty. Okay. Let's put it in. Maybe. What did Asus do here? It only have a slot. This one doesn't come out. The other latch. Okay. It's in, I guess. The other one. Like that, and like that. Okay. Into the second slot. And oh, Asus memory slot. I hate it. Like that. And push. Okay, I guess. Interesting. And for the cooler, you have to take out the screws. Oh boy, it doesn't fit. What the hell? The memories are too big. The other way around, maybe? It comes very close, extremely close. It will touch the RAM. Oh boy. Let me show you. It almost touches the RAM. Right there. Comes very close. Whatever, I don't care. I will try it with the stock cooler. Then I have a heat pipe cooler that supports up to 120 watts. I guess that will be the final solution. But I'll try this one. So let's see. Get the screwdriver. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. So yeah. Does the back plate fall off? Yes, it does. That sucks. Oh boy. Then I have to remove the main board every time I want to change the cooler. That's not optimal, but let's just put down this one. Let's clean it a bit. It's okay. Some scratches here. I did that, but it doesn't matter much. So let's put it on like so and screw it in. Oh boy. Why they made it sound like that? What? It doesn't want to go in? What the hell? This one goes in. Okay. That one did. And this one, it's a bit sideways, but it's going in. I think. Yes, it did. Okay. Interesting backplate. This is not working. But anyway, this is how you install it. Here's the fan connector, and that's it.